Do you want to access widgets at any specific time? Then watch this. First off, go to the Play Store and download one-handed operation. The next step is to open it and head over to the option right handle. Then enable long swipe. Then choose straight left and click widgets pop up. Now when you swipe left and hold for a split second, a new window will pop up. Here you can add or remove widgets. To do so, hold and click add widget. Choose your favorite ones. Now you can access widgets from any specific time. But you might ask, what are the benefits of this? For example, you are scrolling on Instagram and for a split moment, you remember that you didn't send this important email. Now all you have to do is to long swipe and access the Gmail widget. Or in another case scenario, you forgot to set the alarm for tomorrow. Just do the same, long swipe and set it. Bonus information, you should update the Samsung Clock app, because as you can see, it brought some new clock widgets. When we are talking about widgets, if you want those cool ones, then watch this next video I made. You won't be disappointed.